Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aruma, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can make homemade clay at home. So let's get started. So here I have taken 1 cup of maida and half cup of salt and I'm mixing it. Now I'm going to add some Johnson baby oil in it. 4 spoons of Johnson baby oil. You also have to add 4 spoons. You can take any other oil like coconut oil, badam oil, almond oil actually. Don't take any pain killing oil like Navratan or Himgange, that all will not work. So here I have added 4 spoons of this Johnson baby oil. If you have Johnson baby oil, then you can add that one also, like me. Now you have to add some water in it. Add gradually, don't add a lot of at a time, because then your dough will not form. It will be of very flowing consistency, then the dough will not form. But if it happens, then you just have to add some more maida and more salt and mix. That will soak the water and let the dough form. Here I have added some, and little by little you have to add water, little by little, not a lot at a time. Sorry. So here I have added the water and now I am making the dough. Rub it with your hands so that the dough gets soft, very soft and smooth. I'm pressing and rolling. So now the dough has been formed, and now I am going to make small 4 balls of these dough and then we will color it. Here I am also mixing it in the bowl so that the bowl in the maida also gets stick with the dough and nothing goes to waste. So here I am just doing it with my hands. Now the dough is ready. But if you feel that it is watery, then you can add some more maida on the top. Do not add a lot, a little only of the maida. Now we will make small balls of these maida dough. So as you can see, the dough is perfect and ready to be colored. So now I will make 4 small balls of this clay and color them. If you don't have color, then there is no need of coloring. Don't be tensionized. But I think the thing that I am going to show you guys is available in everyone's house. So let's see what is that. You also have to make different 4 balls of many colors. If you make many balls, then there will be many colors of the dough available at you. So here I have taken 4 balls. If you have more dough, then you can make more balls. You can also make 8 balls, 6 balls, 7 balls as per your quantity of the dough. Here I have taken my mother's old eyeshadow palette, and from that I have taken a blue color, sky blue shade, and now you just have to mix. Do it for at least 10 minutes so that the color gets absorbed in the dough very nicely. Just have to mix. This may take a time, but the result is awesome. So don't do it like just you do it 2 minutes and it's done. No, spend some time, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Now mix. If you don't have eyeshadow, well, eyeshadow is available in everyone's house. Each girl in this world uses eyeshadow. Well, if you don't have, or you don't want to waste or use your eyeshadow, then you can also use acrylic paint or fabric paint. That will also work great. Now I'm going to make the second, as the first blue is done. Here I have taken pink eyeshadow. Scrub and pink eyeshadow. So this is a dark pink eyeshadow, then you can see it will turn out light pink too. So if you want dark shade of dark pink dough, then you can use red color to form a dark pink clay dough. So now I am rubbing until it gets mixed with the dough, and the blue one is looking awesome. You also have been seen in the thumbnail. The third one that I do is olive shade, and the fourth one I leave. I don't make any color of the fourth, I leave it just white. So as you can see, it's ready. If you like this video, then like and bye.